Have you ever wondered what would happen if you committed to squatting every single day? How would your body change? Would it be worth the effort? Imagine standing in front of the mirror a month from now and not only seeing the difference, but feeling it in every step you take. Today, we're diving into the world of squats to uncover the real impact this powerful exercise can have on your body. It's not just about getting stronger legs or a firmer backside. Squats are often called the king of exercises, and there's a reason for that. They don't just target one area, they work your entire body. But let's start from the beginning. What makes squats so special? Squats come in many shapes and forms. You can go for the classic bodyweight squat, add dumbbells for an extra challenge, or even place a heavy barbell on your shoulders. For those looking to add some explosive power to their routine, squat jumps are the way to go. Each variation offers unique benefits, but they all share one thing in common. They make your muscles work hard. The most popular version is the classic squat. Each shoulder width apart, back straight, and lowering down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. It sounds simple, but the magic lies in the details. The muscles that engage as you lower yourself down and push back up. When you think of squats, the first muscles that come to mind are probably the glutes and thighs. But that's just the beginning. The truth is, squats engage half the muscles in your body. From your quadriceps and hamstrings to your gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius, to your core muscles, including your abs, obliques, and lower back, squats are a full-body workout in disguise. This is why squats are so transformative. As your muscles grow stronger and more defined, you'll notice a change in your appearance. That's why those before and after photos you see online are so dramatic. Squats don't just make your legs stronger, they sculpt your entire body. But squats aren't just about building muscle. They're also a fantastic tool for weight loss. When you squat every day, you're not just working your muscles, you're revving up your metabolism. Your body burns more calories, even at rest, and the results are clear. Fat loss, increased muscle definition, and a leaner, more toned physique. There's more to squats than meets the eye. This powerful exercise also boosts your cardiovascular health. Every time you squat, your heart works a little harder, pumping blood more efficiently throughout your body. Improved blood circulation means better oxygen delivery to your muscles and a stronger heart. And let's not forget, when you work your legs, you're improving the circulation of blood in the lower half of your body, which can prevent issues like varicose veins and leg swelling. Posture is something many of us struggle with, especially if we spend hours sitting each day. The good news? Squats can help with that too. By strengthening the muscles in your lower back and core, squats can help you stand taller and sit straighter. But remember, form is key. To reap these benefits, make sure you're squatting with a straight back and proper technique. Beyond muscle and heart health, squats also improve your endurance. Every squat teaches your body to manage and coordinate your breathing, a skill that translates into better performance in everything from running to daily activities. With each squat, you're not just strengthening your muscles, you're training your respiratory system to handle more. Finally, let's talk about the core. Every squat engages the muscles of your abdomen and lower back. This isn't just about getting six-pack abs. A strong core is essential for overall stability and injury prevention, especially if you're squatting with weights. But remember, heavy lifting requires perfect form. So if you're adding a barbell, consider getting guidance from a professional. There's a squat variation for everyone. Whether it's the classic squat, the glute-focused plie squat, or the explosive squat jump, each style has its benefits. Find what works best for you, and mix it up to keep your routine fresh and challenging. So, what's your squat story? Are you ready to start? Maybe you've already been squatting and have seen the results firsthand. Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how squats have transformed your body and life. And if you're new to this, Don't worry, it's never too late to start. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more amazing content. Until next time, keep squatting and keep growing.